and relax and look after yourself. Go out there into the community and look after people less privileged, less fortunate, who need assistance, who are grateful for assistance, and above all, those who are proactive and hoping and helping people in their own communities.
Hey, we're here today from Spur Foundation. We're at Solomon's Haven in Mitchell's Plain, and we've come to spend our 67 minutes redoing a little makeover in the kids' bedrooms. We've given them new linen, new duvets, we've put up beautiful things on the walls, and just to see the smiles on their faces and just see the joy that it's bringing them, it's well worth it.
I'd just like to add that we've also committed that we're going to help them complete the building. They're actually building a new bedroom for the boys, there are about 10 of them who share a room right now, and we've committed to help them complete a room. They're short of bricks, and they're short of roofing, and they're short of concrete.
When I see the effort our girls have made in terms of beautiful things for the kids' walls and the little details that make a child's life happy, I think I feel privileged to belong to the Spur Foundation, and thank you to all concerned, and most important of all, thank you to the people 7 days a week who take the trouble to look after these kids.
I'm very humble and grateful for Spur today.